Good morning students. This video is for class 4 and today we are starting a new chapter, that is stepwise thinking. Stepwise thinking help converting complicated tasks into simple steps, like possible solutions to achieve the desired goal. It also helps to know about the missing steps and gives us chance to rewrite the step before converting them into action. It means it helps to do complicated tasks into simple steps. When we think over a task or a program, we should think about the different steps that can be there for its solution. Stepwise thinking helps us solving a problem or doing a task step by step. Stepwise thinking involves analyzing the task or problem and then converting the task into simple steps and possible solution. It means stepwise thinking helps us solving a problem. For example, if your mother gives you a task to prepare a cup of tea for her, you must know how to prepare it. It takes different steps to do it. Let us list the steps for it. To prepare a cup of tea for your mother, first you should take out milk from the refrigerator. Then afterwards, take a cup and pour milk into it. Then afterwards, take a pot suitable to prepare 1 cup of tea. Then pour this milk into the pot. First, you should take a packet of milk from your refrigerator. Then take a bowl. Then afterwards, pour this milk into that bowl or pot. Afterwards, add some sugar and tea leaves to the milk. Then put the pot over the gas burner. You can see in this picture, this is the image of gas burner. First, then ignite the burner using a lighter. Then wait for the mixture to boil. And when you think tea is prepared, put off the burner. And you should also take care the mixture should not come out from the pot. Then when you think that tea is prepared, put off the burner. Then take a cup and filter the tea into it using a strainer. Then afterwards, your tea is ready to serve. Then serve it to your mother. Now students, we have taken an example of how to prepare a cup of tea. Now take another example. We will take another example. You are to go to a friend's birthday party. Then your possible steps of actions may be: first, you will take money and go to the market. Then afterwards, you will buy a gift for the friend and get it wrapped. Now come back to your home and decide what you will what you will wear for the party, and you pick out the dress you want to wear from the cupboard. Then afterwards, wash your face and comb your hair and get ready for the party. Then tell your mother by what time you will be back. Then take out your bicycle and move out for the party. Afterwards, you will reach to the party. Now you are in your friend's birthday party. Now students, you can observe that even the simple daily task involves a series of steps. Now I have taken the example of prepare a cup of tea. Second example, you are going to your friend's birthday party. You have seen that in our simple daily life, we use so many steps to perform that task, and these steps form the basis for each and every problem solving. I hope students you understood this video. Thank you and have a nice day.